Generally, prices of commodities rise when production drops, but we are likely to witness a different picture in pepper this year. Namaste. This year, India's pepper production is likely to be lower at around 76,000 tons. This is compared with 1.26 lakh tons last year. Despite this, prices are declining. Why? Let's look at the reason. The production this year will still be higher than the current domestic demand of 60,000 tons. There is a carryover stock of 50,000 tons which can help bridge the demand-supply gap. Imports of low-priced pepper from Vietnam and Sri Lanka continue to flood the Indian market. Cheaper imports come into the country due to free trade agreements with South Asian neighbors, Sri Lanka and the ASEAN region. Imports of Sri Lankan pepper by India were up at 24,000 tons in the first 11 months of 2024-2025 fiscal. This was compared with 14,000 tons in 2023-24. India levies a lower import duty on pepper imports from Sri Lanka, specifically 8% for imports exceeding a 2,500 ton quota. Imports within the quota are duty-free. Imports from Vietnam were over 11,000 tons in 2024. For imports from Vietnam, the duty is 51% based on the ASEAN Free Trade Agreement. Besides, pepper from Brazil and Indonesia also enters India. In 2024, India imported 37,000 tons of pepper, a little higher than 35,000 tons in 2023. Pepper prices in the country are currently hovering around Rs 700 a kilo, down by Rs 25 in the past month. Imported pepper is available at around Rs 675 a kilo. As a result of this, domestic prices are on a leash. Growers are unable to get better prices, which could make them lose interest in the spice crop. In addition, the harvest of Sri Lanka's new pepper crop will begin arriving from June onwards. This will likely put more pressure on Indian domestic pepper prices. There is something we should be aware of. The quality of Indian pepper, particularly the Malabar Gold variety, is the best. But rest assured, imports will control any sharp rise in pepper prices going forward. That's it for now. Stay tuned with Business Line for further updates on pepper. This is Subramani Mancombu signing off until we meet in our next episode. Good luck.